Who founded Who founded the city of Amritsar? Who founded the city of Amritsar? Sikh Guru. Who founded the city of Amritsar? Today people are very slow. I don't know why. Who founded the city of Amritsar? Which Sikh Guru established Amritsar, the city? Very good, Sandhya. Guru Ramdas. Guru Ramdas founded the city of Amritsar. Okay. Who compiled Guru Granth Sahib? Sikh Guru. Guru Granth Sahib. Who compiled it? Which Sikh Guru was killed by Jahangir? Guru Arjan Dev. Very good, Sandhya. Guru Arjan Dev was killed by Jahangir. Okay. Who was the youngest Sikh Guru? Who was the youngest Sikh Guru? Youngest Sikh Guru. Youngest Sikh is somewhat difficult. Very good, Sandhya. Guru Harkisan. Okay, Guru Harkisan was the youngest Sikh Guru. Which Sikh Guru was executed by Aurangzeb? Which Sikh Guru was executed by Aurangzeb? Guru Arjun is killed by Jahangir. Very good, Kadir Vishnu. Tegh Bahadur. Okay, Guru Tegh Bahadur was executed by Aurangzeb. Guru Arjan Dev was killed by Jahangir. Okay, don't confuse those things. Who established Khalsa Panth? Sikh Guru Khalsa Panth. A warrior like Govind Singh. Very Sushant Raj, welcome. Welcome. It's first time I am seeing this name. Guru Govind Singh Khalsa Panth introduced Khalsa Panth. Okay, I will compile the things. Guru Nanak started Sikhism under the Langar system. Langar system is providing free food. Guru Angad Gurumukhi script. Guru Angad Gurumukhi script. Guru Ramdas founded the city of Amritsar. Guru Ramdas founded the city of Amritsar. Guru Arjan Dev compiled Guru Granth Sahib. Guru Arjan Dev compiled Guru Granth Sahib. He was killed by Jahangir. He was killed by Jahangir. Youngest Sikh Guru, Guru Harkisan. Guru Harkisan, youngest Sikh Guru. Guru Tegh Bahadur was executed by Aurangzeb. Guru Tegh Bahadur executed by Aurangzeb. Guru Gobind Singh established Khalsa Panth. Guru Gobind Singh established Khalsa Panth. Okay. You have to tell the technical term in economics. It is a ratio. Explains the relationship between the level of investment made in the economy and the consequent increase in GDP. Very easy. Explains the relationship between the level of investment made in the economy and the very good, Ashwin. Incremental capital output ratio, ICOR, explains the relationship between the level of investment made in the economy, the consequent increase in GDP. Okay. Okay, I will tell you some terms. You have to identify what it is. Chatra, Yashti, Harmika, Anda, Torana, Medi, what it is? Chatra, Yashti, Harmika, Stupa, very good. Is a Stupa architecture spots. Chatra will be at the top. Anda, it's the circular. It is the terms associated with Stupa architecture, Buddhist Stupa architecture. Chatra, Yashti, Harmika, Anda, Torana, Medi, right? Okay, salary and allowances of High Court judge comes under what fund? Salary and allowances of High Court judge. Consolidated is very good, but it is partial. Consolidated fund of dash. Very good, Kadir. Consolidated fund of state. Okay. Salary and allowances of High Court judge comes under the consolidated fund of state. Magesh Kumar, welcome. Pensions of High Court judge comes under. Pensions of High Court judge comes under. COI means Consolidated Fund of India. Okay. Consolidated Fund of Center. Okay. Pensions of High Court judge comes under Consolidated Funds of Center. Salary and allowances of High Court judge comes under Consolidated Fund of State. Okay. Another one easy question. Unicorn Club. What it is Unicorn Club? Unicorn Club. Very easy question. No need to think. 1 billion. Okay. Yeah, privately startup which is value goes beyond $1 billion is unicorn club. Okay, the asset value is more than 1 billion means it comes under unicorn club startups. Okay, largest Harappan settlement in India. Very easy question. Largest Harappan settlement in India, IVC site. Lothal, no, Ashwin. Rakhi Gargi, very good. Gokul Raj, where it is Rakhi Gargi? Gokul Raj. Located in which state, Rakhi Gargi? Haryana, very good, Tirumavalavan. The largest Harappan settlement in India is Rakhi Gargi, located in Haryana. Okay. The Financial Stability and Development Council is headed by Financial Stability and Development Council is headed by Financial Stability and Development RBI Governor. No Dilipan, no Sushant Raj. Chairman, I am asking. Financial Stability and Development. Finance Minister, very good, Tirumavalavan. It is chaired by the Finance Minister. Financial Stability and Development Council is chaired by the Finance Minister. Okay. Economic Intelligence Council is chaired by Economic Intelligence Council, EIC. Chaired by again Finance Minister. Very good, Tirumavalavan. Economic Intelligence Council also chaired by Finance Minister. Financial Stability and Development Council also chaired by Finance Minister. Okay. Forest Survey of India, very easy question. How many years once they will release forest? Whether it is they will release every year. Forest Survey of India, 2 years. Sorry, very good, Ramya. Forest Survey of India report, FSI report released every 2 years. Okay, biennial, Sandy, very good. Okay, inflation targeting is done once in dash years. Inflation targeting done once in dash years. 5 years. Very good, Dilipan. Inflation targeting done once in 5 years. 4 plus or minus 2. Now it is fixed. Okay. Another one terms you have to tell. Low interest rate, high savings rate. It will make the monetary policy ineffective. What condition it is? Very easy question. Low interest rate, high savings rate, and it will make the monetary policy ineffective. Very easy question. No need to think. Low interest rate, high savings rate, and it will make the monetary policy ineffective. This condition is known as dash economics. Okay, I will tell you the answer. It is liquidity trap. Okay, it is liquidity trap where there will be low interest rate and there will be high savings rate, and it results in the ineffective of monetary policy. It is called a liquidity trap. Okay, from where the office of governor was taken, like in Indian Constitution, the office of governor was taken from Super Kadirusan, Government of India 1935 Act. Government of India 1935 Act only from the office of governor was taken. Okay. Who introduced jizya? Very easy question. Jizya. Who introduced jizya first? Who introduced jizya? Iltutmish, no, somewhat prior to him. Kutubuddin Aibak. Very good, Gokul Raj. Jizya introduced by Kutubuddin Aibak. Who abolished jizya? Who abolished jizya? Akbar. Very good, Dilipan. Who reintroduced jizya? Who reintroduced jizya? Who reintroduced jizya? Kutubuddin Aibak. Very good. Ramya gave the right answer. Aurangzeb. Okay. Jizya introduced by Kutubuddin Aibak, abolished by Akbar, reintroduced by Aurangzeb. Okay. Okay. It is somewhat a critical question. Environmental Protection Act 1986 was enacted based on this article. Environmental Protection Act 1986 was enacted based on this. No, Sushant Raj. Article 21. Stockholm. Yes, very good. But I am having notes in there. I am asking the article number. No, 15. No, 15. No, 48. No, 48. 20 not I will. It is somewhat critical question. I will tell you the answer. Very good, Tirumavalan. Article 253. Okay, Environmental Protection Act 1986 is based on Article 253, where India signed the Stockholm United Nations Conference on Human Environment in 1972. By giving effect to that conference, environment under Article 253, Environmental Protection Act was made under Article 250. What Article 250 says means it empowers union government to enact laws to give effect to an international agreement signed by the country. If India signs some agreement in the international agreement, in order to implement those provisions, Article 253 gives powers to the center. Based on the Article 253, Environmental Protection Act was created. Okay, Article 250. Okay, where India signed the United Conference on Human Environment in 1972. Okay, another easy question. Father of Carnatic music. Father of Carnatic music. Very good, Kadir Vishwanath, Purandaradasa. Father of Carnatic music, Purandaradasa. Trinity of Carnatic music is different. That is Tyagaraja Swamigal, Muthuswami Dikshidhar, Shyama Sastri. These are Trinity of Carnatic music. Father of Carnatic music is different, Purandaradasa. Okay. Okay, you have to explain that architecture. Sandara type, Nirandara type, Sarvotavatra. What these are, just explain it. Welcome, Karthik Madigandan. Sandara type, Nirandara type, Sarvodabhatra. Sandara, Hindu type, very good, but you have to give a specific answer. What is Sandara type? What is Nirandara type? What is Sarvodabhatra? Very easy question only, given directly in NCERT. When we go into temples, okay, nobody is responding. I will tell you the answer. Sandara type means without Pradikshana Pata. Okay, we will go to Pradikshana. Without Pradikshana Pata is Sandara type. Okay, Nirandara is with Pradikshana Pata. Sarvodabhatra means which can be accessed from all sides. When you search in internet, they will give you the wrong answer. But when you see in NCERT book, they will have given the correct explanation. Okay, in net and in NCERT, there is a lot of difference. In NCERT, you see the Sandara type without Pradikshana Pata, Nirandara type with Pradikshana Pata, Sarvodabhatra, which can be accessed from all sides, is a temple architecture types. Sandara, Nirandara, Sarvodabhatra. Another question. Dash were Indians who could speak both English and local languages and who acted as intermediaries between Indian society and the British, like translators. Dash were Indians who could speak both English and both English and local languages and who acted as intermediaries between Indian society and the British. It is somewhat term, like a term. But if I tell the answer, no liberalism. Very good, Tirumavalan. Dubashas. Okay, and the answer is Dubashas. Dubashas were the Indians who could speak both English and local languages and who acted as intermediaries between the Indian society and the British. Dubashas. 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 Okay. The Portuguese who shifted the capital from Cochin to Goa in 1530. Very easy question. Portuguese who shifted the capital from Cochin to Goa in 1530. Who is the person? Who was the person? No Alfonso, no Ramya. Very good, Sandhya. Nino da Cunha. Okay, Nino da Cunha, Portuguese, shifted the capital from Cochin to Goa in 1530. Who introduced a dual system of government in Bengal? Who introduced the dual system of government in Bengal? Very good, Ramya. Robert Clive. Okay. Who abolished the dual system of government in 1772? In 1757, dual system was introduced by Robert Clive in 1757. In 1772, no canning, Dilipan. Hastings, very good. Tirumavalan gave the right answer. Warren Hastings abolished the dual system of government in 1772. Introduced by Robert Clive, abolished by the Warren Hastings. Okay. Another easy question. A multi-wavelength astronomy mission in near Earth orbit Launched by PSLV in 2015 by ISRO. Very easy question. First dedicated Indian astronomy mission aimed at studying celestial sources in X-ray, optical, UV spectrometer simultaneously. Why you are thinking? ISIS? No. No. Magesh Kumar, welcome. ISIS? No. ISIS. Very easy question. Just by multi-wavelength astronomy mission itself, you can tell the answer. Multi-wavelength astronomy mission in near Earth orbit, launched by PS. Very good, Sandhya. Astrosat. Okay. Multi-wavelength astronomy mission in near Astrosat. Astronaut is not Astrosat. Okay. Launched by PSLV in 2015 by ISRO. The first dedicated Indian astronomy mission aimed at studying celestial sources in X-ray, optical, and UV spectral bands simultaneously. Okay, another easy question. Only provision of the Constitution was passed without any debate in the Constitution Assembly. Only provision of the Constitution was passed without any debate in the Constitution Assembly. Nobody quarreled. Nobody, no debates in the Constitution Assembly while it was passing. No financial statement, no. Very good, Sandhya. Universal adult suffrage. Okay. Universal adult suffrage. Only provision of the Constitution was passed without any debate in the Constitution Assembly. Okay. Universal adult suffrage. Another important question, very interesting question. Golden triangle of Indian Constitution. Golden triangle of Indian Constitution. What it is? Golden triangle of Indian Constitution. Very interesting question. Very important question. 14, 19, 21. Very good, Gokul Raj. Article 14, right to equality. Article 19, right to freedom. Article 21, right to life and liberty. These three are called as the golden triangle of Indian Constitution. 14, 19, and 21. Okay. National level delimitation commission. Okay. You have to listen. National level delimitation commission. How many times it was enacted? National level delimitation commission. 4 times. Very good, Tirumavalan. 4 times. What are those years? 4 times only. 4 times only. What are those years? I am saying national level delimitation. Okay. 4 times year. 1971 is not there. 2001 also not there, but somewhat near. 1976 also not there. 15. Okay, I will tell you the answer. Very good. 2002. 1952, 1963, 1973, 2002. Okay. 52, 63, 73, 2002. Okay. 52, 63, 73, 2000. 4 times. National level delimitation. Okay, I will give you the parameters. You have to tell what it is. What parameters are? Hilly terrain, low population density, strategic location along borders with the neighboring countries, economic and infrastructure backwardness, non-viable nature of state finances. These are all 5 parameters. Very good. Special Magesh Kumar, very good. First time I am seeing you. Very good. They are special category status. Okay. If any state seeking special category status, these parameters should be filled. Hilly terrain, low population density, strategic location along borders with neighboring countries, economic and infrastructure backwardness, non-viable nature of state finance. Okay. This special category status is based on the recommendation of Dash Finance Commission. Recommendation of Dash Finance Commission. Fifth, very good, Ashwin. Fifth Finance Commission recommendation is special category status. Okay, special category. In normally states, centrally sponsored scheme contribution is 60%. In special category states, the centrally sponsored contribution is 90%. Okay. Okay, Jaroka Darshan, we know who is an innovation of whom? Jaroka Darshan. Jaroka Darshan means that the Mughal period. Very good, Sushant Raj. The people standing in the balcony and they will raise hands like that. That is Jaroka Darshan. It's the innovation of Akbar. Okay, Akbar only introduced the Jaroka Darshan. Okay, 4 persons were hanged in the Kakori train robbery case. 4 persons were hanged in the Kakori train robbery case. Can you name those persons? Sukhdev. No, Shukadev is given. No, Shukadev is Kakori is Bismil. Very good. Sandhya, one is correct. Ram Prasad Bismil. Dilipin, okay. Ram Prasad. Another three. Bismillah Khan. Okay, that's Bismil. Okay. Asafullah, very good. Sandhya. Asafullah, very good. Two is right. Another two. Also, Prafulla Chaki is not related to this one. Okay, I will tell you the answer. 4 persons angry. Ram Prasad Bismil, Thakur Roshan Singh, Rajendra Nath Lagri, Asfullah Khan. Okay, 4 persons. Ram Prasad Bismil, Thakur Roshan Singh, Rajendra Nath Lagri, Asfullah Khan. Okay, 4 persons. Which organization is responsible for the Kakori train robbery case? Which organization is responsible for the Kakori train robbery case? Very easy. Just if you tell, very good. Hindustan Republic Association. Very good, Sandhya. Hindustan Republic Association. Kakori train robbery case. Another easy question. Akali movement was an offshoot of Dash movement. Akali movement was an offshoot of Dash movement. Akali movement was an offshoot. Very good. Kadir Vishwanath Singh Sabha movement. Akali movement was an offshoot of Singh Sabha movement. Okay. Another one easy question related to geography. Salinity generally increases with the depth, and there is a distinct zone called dash where salinity increases sharply. Salinity increases with the depth, and the very good Ramya. It is halocline. Salinity increases with the depth, and there is a distinct zone called halocline where salinity increases sharply. Okay. There are only 3 committees in Lok Sabha, but it is not present in Rajya Sabha. There are only, welcome Tarun Prabhu, there are only 3 committees in Lok Sabha, but not present in Rajya Sabha. Estimates very good one, Ramya, one is correct. Estimate one is correct. Estimates correct. Then move on. PAC. Okay, Public Account Committee. Okay. Okay. Private member, very good, Ramya. Committee on private members bill. Okay. Then another one is there. Less familiar committee. Ethics. Okay. A committee and absence of members. Okay. Committee on private members bill. Committee of absence of member. Estimates committee. These committees very good, Ramya. These committees are present only in the Lok Sabha. Okay. Another one easy question. Inner core plus outer core equal to dash. Geography. Inner core plus outer core equal to dash. Inside the earth. Inner core, outer core. Inner core, knife layer. It is, you are telling about the compounds present in it. I am saying it's generic term. Yeah. Previously, we asked similar questions. What is the crust plus upper mantle is equal to lithosphere? Okay, like that. No, inner core plus outer core equal to dash sphere. I am giving the clue, dash sphere. No geography optional. Okay, it is barysphere. Okay, inner core plus outer core is barysphere. Barysphere. Okay, crust plus upper mantle is lithosphere. Inner core plus outer core is barysphere. Okay, another easy question. Dash is a good whose demand increases with the rise in its price and decreases when there is less demand. Dash is a good whose demand increases, given very good consideration, given good is a good whose demand increases with the rise in price. Divya Jyoti, welcome, and vice versa. When the demand increases with the price in price, if the price is reduced, the demand will also reduce, given goods. Okay. Mount Merapi, where it is located? Mount Merapi, 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 volcanic island. Italy, no. Previously, we said Sabang Port, where it is located. Is the clue. Sabang Port, Indonesia. Very good. Mount Merapi in Indonesia. Okay. I will tell you the term. You have to tell what it is. F Jod. F J O R D S. Jodes. F Jodes. What is F Jodes? Geography. F Jodes. Inlet of sea. No. F Jodes is inlet of sea. Landform. What landform, Magesh Kumar? Very good. What landform it is? Norway, in inlet of sea also, right, valley of glacier, okay, inlet of sea, it is a glacial landform. That was I am expecting, glacial landform, okay, glacial landform. That is correct, correct to define the F joules. Glacial landform, landform we know, we got a specific, it's a glacial landform. That was I am expecting. Another one book, famous book, Planned Economy in India, 1934, written by Planned Economy in India, 1934, written by Jesse Bose, no? Aussie that no? Very famous book. Very good Tirumavalan, Planned Economy in India, book 1934, written by Vishweshwaraya. Okay, Vishweshwaraya. I will give you the current, cold current. When there is a cold current, there will be a formation of desert in the neighboring place. Okay, that we all know. I will tell you the cold current name. You have to tell it leads to the formation of dash desert. Okay, Californian current. Californian current led to the formation of, very good Sandhya, Mojave desert. Okay, Mojave desert in America. Californian current. Okay, Peruvian current or Humboldt current led to the formation of Peruvian current and Humboldt, Atacama. Very good, Ashwin. Atacama desert. Humboldt or Peruvian is Atacama desert. Next one is Bengula current. Bengula current. Bengula current. Namib. Very good, Mithun. Very good, Mithun. Bengula current leads to Namib desert. Okay, Namib desert. Okay, Canary current. Canary current. Canary current. Canary. Sagara. Very good, Sandhya. Sagara desert. Okay, I will list out. Californian current led to the formation of Mojave desert. Peruvian current and Humboldt current led to the formation of Atacama desert. Bengula current, Namib desert. Okay. Canary current, Sagara desert. Okay. Okay. Ritchie's archipelago, where it is located? Ritchie's archipelago. Very easy question. No need to think. Ritchie's archipelago. Indonesia, no, Sandhya. Why are Andaman? Very good, Ramya. Ritchie's archipelago is located in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Okay. Another very easy question. Most abundant greenhouse gas in the atmosphere. Okay, archipelago, yes, group of islands. Most abundant greenhouse gas in the atmosphere. No, hydrogen is not there. Most abundant greenhouse, very good, Magesh Kumar. Most abundant greenhouse gas in the atmosphere is water vapor. Okay, water vapor. Okay, you have to tell some colloquial term. It refers to the direct transfers into people's accounts by central bank as a part of expansionary monetary policy. Simply, people will, the RBI will give DBT, somewhat a different name. It refers to the direct transfers into people amount as a part of expansionary monetary policy. If we give, it's like a universal basic income. If we give money to everyone, what kind of money it is? Dash money. Some word will come. Helicopter. Very good, Sushant Raj. Helicopter money. Helicopter money refers to direct transfer into people account by central bank as a part of expansionary monetary policy. It is helicopter money. I will tell you the group of islands. You have to tell the group name. Mauritius, Mayotte, Comoros, Seychelles, Reunion, Madagascar. Mauritius, Mayotte, Comoros, Seychelles, Reunion, Madagascar. These are all group of islands. There is a common name for these islands. What is that name? Ice cream also we use this one. Vanilla, very good, Gopal Raj. Vanilla Islands, okay? Vanilla Islands is a group of islands where vanilla will be prominently grown. These are Mauritius, Mayotte, Comoros, Seychelles, Reunion, Madagascar. Vanilla Islands. Dash movement led to Montague Declaration of 1917. Dash movement led to Montague Declaration of 1917. That is August Declaration. Montague Declaration is okay. I will tell you the committee provisions. You have to tell the what is the committee or commission. Okay. Recommended dropping of the terms covenant and uncovenanted. It is a commission on public service in 1886, raising the age limit to 23. What is the commission? A commission or committee on public service? No, in 1886. Recommended dropping of the terms covenant. Very good, Ashwin. Hutchinson Commission. Okay. Hutchinson Committee on Public Services in 1886. Okay. Recommended dropping of the terms covenant and uncovenant, raising the age limit to 23. Okay. My next question is, how many tigers are there in Sarnath Pillar? How many tigers? Very easy question. No need to think. How many tigers are there in Sarnath Pillar? How many tigers are there in Sarnath Pillar? Why are you thinking, you people? A very easy question. How many tigers there? Gokul no. No 4. Okay. Very good, Gokul Raj. There is no tiger will be in the Sarnath Pillar. Okay. There will be no tigers in the Sarnath Pillar. Okay. Magesh Kumar. Good. No tigers in the Sarnath Pillar. What are the animals present in the Sarnath Pillar? What are the animals present in the Sarnath Pillar? Lion. Very good. 1 is correct. Lion. Horse. 2 is correct. Horse is correct. Okay. Another 2. Horse is correct. I guess. Next. Elephant. Very good. Elephant. Another one. Another one. Elephant is correct. Another one. Move on. Ox. Okay. It is called as bull. Okay. You have to. The mnemonics is bell. BHEL. Bharat Heavy Electronics Limited. No. BHEL. B for bull. H for horse. E for elephant. L for lion. Bell. BHEL. Bell. You got mnemonics. You have to memorize. Bull, horse, elephant, lion. Sarnath Pillar, there will not be any tiger. The most famous Saga ruler was. The most famous Saga ruler was. Most famous Saga ruler. Very easy. Kanishka, no. Most famous Saga ruler. Rudradaman, very good. The most famous Saga ruler, the Rudradaman one. He also repaired Sudarshana Lake. Okay. We are in the last period of our session. Only 40 minutes, now already 36 minutes are over. Okay. One of the major results of 1972 United Nations Conference on the Environment in Stockholm was the creation of Dash. Now only we studied 1972 Article 2 of the Environmental Protection Act. Very good, Ramya, UNEP. Okay. One of the major results of 1972 United Nations Conference on Environment in Stockholm was the creation of the United Nations Environment Program. Okay. Another easy question. Amount of carbon in Earth atmosphere is measured using this curve. This curve gives the amount of carbon in the Earth atmosphere. How much carbon in Earth atmosphere? By seeing this curve, we can identify. This curve deals with this environment. Keeling, very good, Sandhya. Keeling curve deals with the amount of carbon in the Earth atmosphere. Okay. I will tell you the terms. You have to tell whether it is a serious offense or ordinary offense. Okay. You have to tell. Serious offense means yes. Ordinary offense means you have to tell O. Okay. Compoundable offense. Compoundable offense. No. Serious offense means you tell yes. Ordinary offense means O. Okay, very good. Ordinary offense. Very good, Magesh Kumar. Okay. Non-cognizable. 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 No, Ramya. No, Ramya. Non-cognizable is an ordinary offense. Okay. Okay. Non-cognizable ordinary. Okay, I will tell you. Oh, it's somewhat confusing, but if it is compoundable, compound means within the compound. Okay, within the compound, it means it's an ordinary offense. It happens within your compound. Non-compoundable means serious offense, which is beyond the compound, non-compoundable. Okay, and the other term is completely opposite. Cognizable offense means serious offense. Non-cognizable is ordinary offense. Okay, it will be very confusing. You have to be very clear. Compoundable, ordinary. Non-cognizable also ordinary. Okay. 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 Cognizable is serious offense. Non-compoundable is serious offense. Okay. You have to be very clear. It will be confused. Okay. Okay. Kuril Island is a disputed territory between these two countries. Kuril Island. Japan, very good. Another one is Ramya. Japan and Russia, very good. Magesh Kumar. Kuril Island disputed territories between Russia and Japan. Russia and Japan. Okay. I think we are going to ask the last question. Nathula Pass. Which state Nathula Pass? Nathula Pass. Sikkim, very good, Sandhya. Nathula Pass, Sikkim. Nakula Pass. Nakula. Nakula Pass. Nakula Pass. Nakula Pass. No Ladakh. No Ladakh. Nakula. Nakula Pass. No, this is also in Sikkim. Okay. Nathula, Nakula. Both are in Sikkim. Okay. Don't confuse. Nathula, Nakula. Both passes are in Sikkim. With this, we are winding up the session. Okay. I am signing off. Only 18 participants are participating. You kindly inform your friends. Okay. Today's session is over. Okay. Jalapla also Sikkim. Okay. Okay. Bye. I'm ending the session. Bye. Thank you on and all. Thank you, Prasan. Thank you, everyone.